Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Bitcoin, its origins, how it works, and its impact on both monetary policies and investment landscapes. Created and developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has become the hallmark of 21st century innovation, revolutionizing not only monetary policies but also investment strategies worldwide. Now, let's dive into the fundamentals of Bitcoin. Translated text begins below. Bitcoin. What is it? How it originated? How it works? Created and developed by Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is the great revolution of the 21st century, not only for monetary policy, but also for the world of investments. Bitcoin is the oldest existing cryptocurrency in today's market and was created with the mission of revolutionizing how societies conduct their financial transactions. Since its inception, the cryptocurrency has gained ground and today has become, in addition to a currency, a form of investment allocation and diversification. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin today is undoubtedly the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency in the digital market, as it was the pioneer in the revolution that occurred within the international monetary structure. Thus, Bitcoin is a digital currency which is characterized by being decentralized, meaning it has no relationship with a government or central entity that dictates its course, as is the case with the real, the dollar, and other legal tender currencies around the world. Introduced to the world during the subprime crisis, Bitcoin gains strength, fans, advocates, and, more than that, begins to have practical use in some societies. What is the value of Bitcoin today? The price of Bitcoin is determined by the laws of supply and demand, well known in the world of investments and within economic study. Its very origin, as reported by Satoshi Nakamoto, is to be a scarce currency, which in itself already gives it a much greater perceived value by society. However, as it continues to be mined and there are many players in the market, as well as having become a diversification option, the cryptocurrency is subject to market mood swings, much like stocks. Thus, Bitcoin today, quoted in dollars, is around $70,141. How to mine Bitcoin? The entire process behind the creation of Bitcoin is linked to what became known as mining, which here has the same connotation as mining for gold and other precious metals. In the case of cryptocurrency, mining is carried out by the participants of the network themselves through the registration and validation of operations within the blockchain, which is a large ledger. Bitcoin mining, much like gold mining, is a race where the one who first finds the solution to the security algorithm created in each transaction wins. In this sense, while the Bitcoin chart varies prices 24 hours a day, miners validate transactions that create new coins paid as a reward to them. In the case of Bitcoin, the mining process is through trial and error, hence the need for highly equipped computers with great processing power. What are the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin? As mentioned earlier, Bitcoin is a currency, but far from the powers of the state. For this reason, one of the main advantages of this cryptocurrency is the impossibility of confiscation. Bitcoin is still an extremely secure network where everyone has access to the transactions made. By its essence, it is deflationary, that is, inflation will not erode purchasing power over the years and management is in your hands. In addition, Bitcoin today is used as an investment form and is an excellent diversification alternative among all assets available on the market. In this sense, just as it becomes an investment alternative, it is essential to understand that there is still a lot of volatility in its quotation, which can fall 20% and rise 20% in the same day. Another disadvantage is the low acceptance, which means that in case of need, it is not possible to use it as a medium of exchange, requiring selling and converting it into current resources. How to buy and sell Bitcoins? Bitcoin has become much more an investment form than a currency, since it still does not complete the three intrinsic characteristics of a currency. That is, being a medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. At the same time, it is widely used as a form of diversification. Thus, it is natural to find people looking at the Bitcoin chart daily for good entries and exits.